Hello and welcome to Easyturorials. In this tutorial, I am going to tell you a super trick by which you can easily predict the ground state term symbol for any given species. Before going to the trick, let's first understand what type of question you will be asked on the term symbol. So, the question is, give the ground state term symbol for Fe+2, RH+ and MO+3. So how do you solve this question? So this is the trick with the help of which you can easily determine the term symbol like this. So the trick is like this. At the end of the video, I will tell you how to remember this trick. But I will tell you how to use this trick in order to predict the ground state term symbol for given species. Let's start with Fe+2. Fe+2. We know that Fe atomic number is 26. If it is Fe+2, that means 2 electrons are removed. That means it is 24. So what will be the configuration for Fe+2? It will be Ar 3d6 4s0. Right? So here 3d6. This 4s0 means we don't have to consider this. 3d6. Just look at d6 here. d6. Here is d6. So d6 is equal to d4 and the term symbol for d6 is 5d. So the term symbol for Fe+2 is 5d. See how easy it is to predict the term symbol. You don't need to do all calculation to calculate the term symbol for that. With the help of this trick, you can easily determine term symbol for any given species. Now, let's calculate for another one, RH positive. For RH plus, what is this? Rhodium. What is atomic number? 45. For RH plus, what will be the atomic number for this? 44. Right? So, it will be like krypton 3d8. So just look at d8 here. Where is d8? d8 is here. So it is 3f. So ground state term symbol for RH positive is 3f. This is the answer. Now MO+3. Mobidium +3. Mobidium atomic number is 42. And for +3 it is 39. So what will be electronic configuration? Krypton 4d3. Right? So just look at d3 here. d3 is 4f. So answer for this question is 4f. So can you see how easily we can solve the type of question with the help of this trick? Now how to remember this trick? The easy way to remember this trick is just start with 9, 8, 7, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Is it hard to remember these numbers? No. So just write 2, 3, 4 and 5. These all are D. D, 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 D. Okay. Now, for term symbol, just you need to remember DF, FD. Finish. This is the trick. This is electronic configuration. If electronic configuration is D9 or D1, then the term symbol will be 2D. If electronic configuration D8 or D2, then term symbol will be 3F. If electronic configuration is D7 or D3, then term symbol is 4F. If it is D6 or D4 electronic configuration, then term symbol will be 5D. These are term symbols and these are electronic configuration. Whether it is D9 or D1, it should always be 2D term symbol. So with the help of this trick, you can get 2 marks easily in your examination. At least 2 marks, minimum 2 marks. So I hope you like the trick.